Hey, my prepper posse. Alright, 2 hours later, it's 5 p.m. It's gotten a lot windier, and it's coming in sooner, I guess. We thought we were going to get hit at midnight, but it's coming in quicker. Yeah, just pounding rains and heavy winds. And we have tornadoes everywhere, all over the state. So I'm kind of watching that as well. But right now, it's just the highest. I can't go out because it's too wet. I don't want to screw up my phone. So I'm trying to get what I can for you. The winds are everywhere. And the door's blowing around. We haven't lost power yet. This is downtown St. Petersburg. So I'll try to keep doing every hour, and I'll let you know how much more it deteriorates. Alright, stay safe. Love y'all. Don't forget to play. See you! Well, I'm trying to say see you. See, the phone got wet. There's so much wind coming in here. Ooh, these winds.